In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a shape in Canva. Whether you're creating graphics for social media, designing a new logo, or just having fun with some digital sketching, knowing how to draw shapes in Canva can be really helpful. So let's dive in and make sure you feel confident using this feature in no time. First, you need to open Canva on your computer. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up and log in. Once you're in, you can start a new project or open an existing one that you'd like to work on. For this demonstration, we'll assume that you have already selected a blank canvas or a template that suits your needs. Now with your canvas open, let's move on to the drawing part. You're going to begin by looking for the Draw tool. To find it, head over to the left-hand side of your Canva workspace. Here you'll usually see options like Elements, Uploads, and Text. What you're looking for is the Draw feature. However, keep in mind that this tool might be under the More section if it's not directly visible, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Once you click on the Draw option, you'll see different drawing tools like pen, brush, or highlighter. These tools allow you to create shapes freely. If you're not sure about which tool to start with, a good rule of thumb is to use the brush option for standard shapes, as it offers a smooth and consistent line. Feel free to experiment with the size and color to suit your design. Now it's time to actually draw. Click and drag your cursor across the canvas to create your desired shape. Try to be as consistent as possible with your strokes for the neatest outcome. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Canva has an undo button at the top left corner of the screen, which allows you to easily erase any errors and try again. After you're satisfied with your shape, you can edit it further. Click on the shape to reveal more options, like changing the color, adjusting the transparency, or even adding effects for a more unique look. Canva's flexibility really allows you to hone your artistic expression even further. Finally, when you're happy with your design, don't forget to save your work. You can download it in various formats like PNG, JPEG, or PDF depending on what you need the shape for. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to draw shapes in Canva that enhances your project beautifully. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to create even more amazing designs using Canva's drawing tools. Until next time, happy designing.